Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to fix Safari can't connect to iCloud Private Relay. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then, scroll again and tap on Safari, which is the browser where you're having the issue. Scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. This will remove old cache and cookies that might be causing connection issues. Now, turn the toggle on for Close All tabs to make Safari is fully refreshed. Next, scroll down and tap on Advanced. Here, turn on the toggle for Web Inspector. This can help with debugging Safari issues in some cases. Then, turn on the toggle for Block All cookies. Blocking third-party cookies can sometimes help with iCloud Private Relay issues. Now, tap on Website Data and check if there's too much stored data. If there is, clear it. Go back to the main settings and tap on Screen Time. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the toggle at the top, enable these settings. Now, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here, make sure that installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases are all set to allow, so nothing blocks Safari updates or functions. Go back and tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure Safari and related options are turned on here as well. Now, tap on Allow Apps to request a track. Then, select Allow Changes so the system doesn't block Safari features. After doing all this, restart Safari and check again. This process should help fix the iCloud Private Relay issue in Safari. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.